Hi everybody, I'm Devin, and at Pentair Pool, we know time matters, both for homeowners and the pros that help them. That's why the IntelliChlor Plus salt chlorine generator is engineered for quick and confident service. In this video, we're going to show just how simple it is to disassemble and reassemble one of these units. No fuss, no complex tools, just a smart design that works for you. Let's get to it. Before beginning, always disconnect power from the main breaker and wait at least 60 seconds before beginning disassembly of the IntelliChlor Plus salt chlorine generator. Relieve system pressure by opening the filter's air relief valve. Be sure to close any valves, especially if the system is below water level. The IntelliChlor Plus salt chlorine generator is designed for safe and straightforward service right at the pool pad. The controller lifts off in seconds. No twisting, no struggle. Use a flat blade screwdriver to remove the retaining clip. Then wriggle it back and forth a little while lifting the controller straight off to get instant access to the center module below. Locate the 6 retaining torque screws that hold the sensor module in place. With the number 20 Torx head, remove the 6 screws and then lift the sensor module straight up. The modular layout gives you clear access to internal components, such as the flow switch, conductivity sensor that measures salinity, and the temperature sensor. Installing a new module is just as easy. Seat the O-rings onto the new sensor module and align the module with the 3 pins on the cell body. Insert the sensor module in place pushing down to ensure the O-ring is seated. Let's start by fully tightening the 2 side sensor module screws. Then tighten the remaining screws in a zigzag pattern to achieve an even seal. Making sure the controller aligns with the connections on the sensor module, we can install the controller back onto the cell body. Now we can install the retaining clip and restore power. It's important to note that if we are replacing the sensor module, the controller module will automatically pair and historical data will be transferred. If replacing the controller, it will pair with the existing sensor module and historical data will also be transferred. It is also important to note that we can't replace both the controller and sensor modules at the same time, since they contain and cross-reference data from the cell body. As you just seen, the IntelliChlor Plus salt chlorine generator is engineered for effortless service, from the quick-release controller to the easy-to-replace sensor module. Every detail is designed to save you time, simplify maintenance, and to give you confidence on every installation. If you need more information, visit the link in the description or call Pentair Technical Support. And as always, thank you for choosing Pentair.